Hi, I'm Rebecca. Upwards of 75% of women can't orgasm from vaginal thrusting alone. But if you learn to work her clitoris, you'll have a greater chance of taking her there. In this educational video, I'll give you some great tips to do just that. Let's begin by looking at some positions. You can try the seated. Since most people have a hard time pulling a balancing act between a woman's legs as she lays on her back, try pulling her to the edge of the bed or having her sit on a couch while you sit on the floor in front of her. This will make it a whole lot easier for you. You could also try the standing position. You can sit down comfortably and have her stand right in front of you. Make sure that you pick a spot where her face and your pink parts are aligned. You're at the right height. Doggy style. The woman assumes a doggy style position and you lick her from behind in a comfortable position for yourself. Next, hovering butterfly. You lay on your back, securing your neck in a comfy position with the help of pillows, etc., while she balances herself on your face with her knees on either side of your head. It'll allow her to control the speed, intensity, and movement to her will. G-spot. A woman's G-spot is 2 to 3 inches inside her vagina on the tummy side. If you use 2 fingers to do a come hither motion inside her with one hand and press the heel of your other hand over her pubic bone, your fingers teasing her vulva as you lick her clitoris, you could take her right over the edge. But some women don't enjoy it and others like it but can't fully let go. FYI, no matter which position we're looking at, always start gentle and work your way in, just like using fine cutlery during fine dining, from outer lips to inner lips and so on. And never ever zoom in on the clitoral head or start thrusting with your fingers before her pink parts become engorged and start to relax on their own. Rapidly hitting her clitoral head is just as inefficient as rapidly hitting an elevator button. Neither will come any faster. For step-by-step instruction, join me for one of my workshops. To make your sex life hotter or to address sexual challenges, please contact me for counseling, since I'm a clinical sexologist and a board-certified sex therapist. Thanks for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And check out my website, talkwithrebecca.com, for lots of great articles and to follow me on social media for daily tips.